In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer your domain away from Wix. Step-by-step 2026 guide. Before we touch any buttons, let's confirm that your domain is eligible to move. ICANN's 60-day rule says the domain must be at least 60 days old and it can't have been transferred or had its registrant details changed in the past 60 days. Also, make sure the domain sits in a Wix account with an active premium plan, since that's how you'll access the settings you need. It's a good idea to double check that the registrant email on file is current because important messages and your transfer code will go there. Now, log into Wix and head to your dashboard. On the left, open Settings, then choose Domains. Find the domain you want to move, click the three dots next to it, and select Manage Domain Settings. This takes you to the page where all transfer controls live. Scroll to the section called Transfer Away from Wix. Domains are locked by default for safety. So choose Transfer Away from Wix, then pick Transfer Away when asked if you want to keep the domain or move it. That action unlocks the domain for transfer and you'll be able to proceed. If domain privacy is enabled, Wix may prompt you to turn it off temporarily. Go ahead and disable privacy so the new registrar can verify ownership during the transfer. You can re-enable privacy later with your new provider. Next, request your EPP or authorization code. Click Send Code, and Wix will email a unique EPP code to the registrant email address on file. If it doesn't arrive within about 15 minutes, check your spam or promotions folder. Think of this code as the digital key to your domain. Keep it secure and copy it exactly. With the code in hand, go to your new registrar, such as Namecheap, GoDaddy, or Hostinger. Find their domain transfer page, enter your domain name, and, when prompted, paste the EPP code from Wix. Follow their on-screen steps to submit the transfer. Finally, watch for a confirmation email from Wix or from your new registrar. Open it and click Approve to greenlight the move. Transfers typically complete in 5 to 7 days. Your site should stay live during this window as long as you haven't changed name servers yet. And that's the full process for moving a domain away from Wix. If this walkthrough helped, give it a like, and when you're ready, follow these steps at your own pace. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.